beginners, when we open our demat account or trading account, or when we see trading people or stock market people with their multiple screens having their red and green bars going up and down, have you ever wondered what is this red and green bars? Hi, this is Kenz from Milliondots. This red and green bars are known as candles or candlesticks, which is used to graph the price movement of that particular asset or stock. Yes, they are used to read the price or price action of that particular stock or that particular asset. Today, we will be learning more about candlesticks and the basic psychology behind the candlesticks. So, let's take you to the screen. So, we are here on the screen. So these are the two types of candles we have, red candle and green candle. So what actually red candle depicts is that it tells you that the stock went down or the price of a stock has been reduced. A green candle tells you that the stock went up or the price of a stock has been increased. So we have some points to be discussed regarding the candlestick when taken in specific. So this green candle have an open, close, high, and low, as well as the red candle have an open, close, high, and low. So let me speak about green candle first. Open is the price at which this particular candle has started or opened, or close is a price at which this particular candle has closed or stopped, and high is the highest price in this particular candle has touched, and low is the lowest price this particular candle has touched. Basically, each candlestick will be depicting or showing you particular time frame. So let us say 1 hour time frame. Okay, so 1 hour means this single candlestick stores the data of 1 hour. That is, this highest point will be the highest point that particular stock has touched in this particular 1 hour, and this low will be the lowest point this particular stock has touched in that 1 hour. And the same way, open price is the starting price of this particular stock in this 1 hour, and closing is the last price of that particular or the closed price of that particular stock in this 1 hour. Okay, so we are just taking an example of 1 hour candles. We have 1 minute candles, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, every like a lot of time frames are available. So for to explain easily, I am explaining about 1 hour candles. The same way, how about this red candle? Same way, low is the lowest point this particular candle or this particular price has touched in this particular time frame, and high is the highest point that particular candle has touched, and open is the opening price, so the price at which the candle started with forming this candle. Okay, or close is the closing price or the last price in which this particular candle has been closed in the, if it is a 1 hour, in the final 1 hour. Okay, so here what is the difference between red and green candle? You see here, from open to close, green candle went up. From open to close, red candle went down. So that is the net movement actually. From open to close, how much the candle has moved gives you the net movement of that particular stock. Still, we will be having a confusion that how this red candle and green candle is formed. Okay, I am going to explain you both type of candlestick, the formation and everything here. Okay, so I have I'm gonna explain you green candle. Okay, so green candle will be green in color and there will be 2 weeks. There may or may not be 2 weeks, or we call it shadow or shadow prices. Okay, what actually the shadow is meant by is that stock went up and came down. That is what the shadow is being explaining about. Okay, so we'll come to that now. So this is a green candle, and let us mark by prices. So let us say this is 100 rupees, this is 101, okay, and let us say this is 99 maybe, and this as 102. So what is actually this particular candle telling you? So this is the open price, this is the low, and this is the closing price, and this is the high. So this particular candle tells you that from open, that is 100 rupees, this candle started. Then it went to 99 rupees And from 99 rupees, it reached 100 and then it went to 101 and then it again went to 102. That is the highest point. And from there, it went down to 101 again and closed here. Okay, so if I am drawing this in a chart, it will be like this. I'm marking the prices 99, 100, 101, 102. So the candle opened at 100, went till 99 and touched 100 again, then went to 101 and went to 102. That is the highest point, and then it closed at 101. This is how a particular green candle is being formed. So here 100 is the open price, this is the low, this is the high, and this is the closing price. So this is how a particular green candle is formed. So a green candle would be something like started a movement from open, it went to low and again went back to the high and closed at a closing price. So this is how this particular green candle has moved. Now let me explain about the red candle. So let's say this is red candle. It would be filled with red in color, may or may not have the wicks or shadows. So as I have told you, this shadows is that it went up and came down. In green candle, we have learned that the stock went till here and again it came down. That is why there is no body here, just a wick or shadow is formed. Okay, so basically this would be a red candle, and let us mark with the prices just like we have done for the green candle. Let us say this is 100 rupees, this is 99, and this is 101, and this is 102. Here we know that this is the open, this is the close, this is the low, and this is the high. So here it is very clear that this particular candle started from 101 opening price, right? From 101 it went to 102 and touched the highest price and came back all the way down to 100, and it again went to 99 and it does not stay there, it went back to 100 and closed here. That is how this particular red candle is formed. So if at all I am explaining this in a chart, I will mark the points 99, 100, 101, 102. So we know that the stock started from 101, went all its way to 102 and came down. That is why this particular candle has wick at the top. And then again it came down till 100 and then again till 99 it came down and it again went to 100 and closed there. Okay, so this particular movement, it always came down and went up. So it is a wick in this part as well. Okay, so basically this will be the opening price, this will be the closing price, this will be the low, and this will be the high. So this is how a red candle is formed. So basically, these are the basics of this particular candlestick that we might be learning about, we should be learning about. And every candle will be having open, close, low, and high, and we have discussed it. So once again, I'm telling you, red will tell you that the stock went down, green will tell you or depicts that the stock went up, and this black lines we see here as shadows or wicks, it tells you that stock went up and came down, or went down and came up. This is what this particular colors actually depicts. So whole concept of this video was to give you a clear idea regarding the basics of candlesticks, and hope this video is really helpful for you guys. Thank you.